homies, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be washing my hair first, and I'm going to be using my 𝐷𝐼𝐿𝐴 ACV scalp and hair rinse, and this just refreshes my scalp, removes all the buildup, gel buildup, product buildup that I have on my hair. And I don't really wash my hair that often, so using this is key for my scalp and for my curls as well. To really get in there and massage my scalp, I am going to be using this scalp massager. This helps with blood flow for my scalp so I can have more hair growth, and it just also helps with product buildup too. And it's super relaxing to use. Once I rinse out my hair, I'm going to be using the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner, and honestly I completely forgot that I had this and I need to buy more. Thank God I had enough for this video. It's super affordable and my curls love this. Next, I'm going in with one of my favorite hair masks, and it's the Macadamia Deep Repair Mask, and this just helps define my curls, moisturize my curls, because you guys know with curly hair it can get super dry. Like, the conditioner that I used for my curls helps a lot, but with a deep repair mask like this, it just tops everything off and it just leaves my hair extra shiny, extra hydrated. It's like a cherry on top for my hair. I'm gonna leave that on for about 20 to 30 minutes whenever I'm done with my shower routine. For my body wash, I'm going in with the Dove Hydration Boost. It's a 6% hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid. This is super good for my dry skin, and with this having hyaluronic acid, it just adds hydration. I do suffer with back acne and it's worse during the spring and summertime, so with this body wash it does help with that too. I did use a intimate wash. I completely forgot to show that. I will be having everything linked below anyway. Then lastly, I'm going to be shaving with my favorite shaving cream. It's so moisturizing, and my favorite body scrub. Once I rinse out the deep repair mask, this is how my curls look. Next, it's time for me to wax my armpits, and I usually do this once a month or every 3 weeks, depending on how fast they grow, but they do grow pretty fast. I just add one layer, let it dry, then pull, add another layer, dry, then pull from the opposite side to remove the wax residue and just help with any type of bumps or irritation on my skin after waxing. I'm going to be using this combing oil. It works so good and it smells so good. I have this linked on my Amazon storefront, and it was only like under $10. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna be taking my coconut oil, lather that all over my body first, then add this cream as my second layer. Sometimes I do extra, sometimes I just have like a little basic routine like this. I haven't gave myself a good quality at-home pedicure in a long time, so it's overdue, and I'm going to be using this Barbie bath bomb, and it smells like my childhood. It smells so good, and I'm gonna use this Suave body wash for my bubbles, and I'm just gonna let my feet soak in there. The water is like pretty hot, but you can cool it down by turning that off. These are all of the products I'm going to be using for my pedicure: cuticle pusher, cuticle trimmer, top coat, base coat, a nail file, just stuff like that. I'm going to be removing my month-old nail polish. Yes, it's been a month, but they do last a long time on me, like without chipping and without them looking dingy, so that's why it's like a month. But I am going to be removing that with some strengthening nail polish remover, and then I'm just gonna push back my cuticles and trim them. If you guys want an in-depth routine on how I do my pedicures, just let me know. I haven't filmed one in a very long time, like in years, so I should do that for you guys. Right now I'm just filing them into my square shape. I don't like them round, I don't like them no other shape. One of the other times that I got a pedicure like professionally done, she was new, but she was just messing up on my toes. She was even clipping my nails and I did not want that, and she kept missing spots while painting them, and I just had to keep correcting her. It was just a really bad experience. Good thing it wasn't my first experience, but it was pretty annoying. She had overly buffed them too, to the point where my natural nail was starting to break, and now I'm waiting for them to regrow. So since then I've been taking a small break from getting them professionally done, but then again I think I just want to try a new place. Comment below if you guys have any pedicure or manicure horror stories, because I would like to know. And I apologize for this horrible angle and lighting that I have going on right now. The nail polish that I'm wearing is the Sally Hansen Color Therapy nail polish in the shade 200 Rosy Quartz. It is a sheer nail polish, so I do add about 2 layers. Yeah, I am a pretty hairy girl and I do get jawline hairs. These are my favorite tweezers to use whenever I am plucking hair, whether it's on my brows, my jawline, whatever. Like, this grabs the hair without pulling my skin or pinching my skin. I sometimes use these tweezers to apply my lashes. Like, they work that good. Then I'm trimming my brows a little bit. I don't trim them thin at all. Like, I still want my brows to look very thick because that's how they naturally are. I just wanted to add more shape to them. I'm going to be using my teeth whitening strips from InnoPro, and this is perfect if you have sensitive teeth. I tried using other brands, like teeth whitening strip brands, but it's just too harsh on my teeth, and this one has natural ingredients, and I'm just gonna leave this on for about 30 minutes while I do a face mask. In this clip, I'm using a very warm face rag for my face so I can just open up my pores before I apply the mask. I'm going to be using the Freeman Japanese Matcha Detoxifying Mask. This is also not harsh on my skin, and it actually works without leaving no type of redness. It's like the perfect on-the-go type of mask, so you can just like do some quick skincare and go to bed without having to do too many steps. While I'm waiting for my teeth to whiten and for my mask to dry, I'm just going to be scrolling on Instagram, and make sure you guys follow me because besides YouTube, I'm on Instagram all the time as well, and you guys can get to see what I post on a daily. These natural teeth whitening strips make my teeth look super white and I just love using them. Then I'm just going to be finishing the rest of my skincare routine. Lately, I've been using this Mederma cream for my scars, whether it's on my body or my face. It's been helping a lot, especially on my knee, because I do have a shaving scar on my knee, and it's just been lightening up that spot. Someone had asked in one of my DIY lash extension tutorials to see a look using these type of lashes where it only requires one step, which is curling them, then plopping them on your lashes. So if you guys want to see like a full in-depth tutorial on how I use these and just how I do my DIY lash extensions in general, I'll have those videos linked below. But this one is super easy because all I do is just literally plop them on. Wearing these type of lashes just make me feel more put together. Now it's time for me to apply some different press-on nails. The nails that I'm applying on right now are from Shein, and I'll link them down below, and I will link a tutorial on how I make them last literally almost a month. With these nails, they are perfect for the springtime, and they have rhinestones and a rhinestone butterfly, so of course I'm gonna wear these for the spring. But I hope you guys enjoyed my current self-care beauty maintenance routine, and let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Harmony. We're almost at 50K, and I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. And I'll see you guys in my next video.